Okay, guys, take a look at this DXY. By the way, we can see the movement on this our DXY. We can see that this is clearly a bearish move, right? There's no doubt that we are having a bearish move, so we would want to see this bearish move draw for that to actually take a level of 104. Currently, we are trading at a level of 106. We're seeing that DXY already dropped to a level of 105, right? Then we had a pullback to 106. So we will still want to see a further drop, at least to be to take out a level of 104 before we kind of have like any meaningful movement upward on DXY, right? So if price can be to take out a level of 104, the next level we would want the DXY to actually take out is this level here, which is a level of 101. So first of all, DXY needs to take out a level of 104. That means to tell you that we are still on a bearish move on our USD index. Now let's include this moving average, which will be 10 period moving average for simple analysis. So you can take a look at this movement, right? You can see that this DXY at once rejected at this level. Now let's see if it is more visible on the weekly time frame. Now this is it on the weekly time frame. You can see this DXY, right? You can see that price has once rejected here. You see that price has once rejected at this level, right? We saw a pullback at this level, reaction at this level. We saw a reaction at this level. Definitely price needs to come to tap this level. So we will be aiming for a level of 104, right? On DXY. Then if possibly this DXY continues to go bearish, then we'll be able to see it take out a level of 101. So DXY, we are still on a bearish move. Secondly, is that when you take a look at this on this daily time frame, this price is below our moving average. As long as this price is still below our moving average, then I can still consider this as a bearish move. So let's start this movement from here. So I will start it for quick analysis. Would be an impulse move. Here will come a correction, right? Another impulse move. So we expect a correction to be made, which will actually add it, right? You should see the correction react at this level, right? Then after that, another bearish move will be made on this DXY. So we're going to see it drop to 104. Once it gets to a level of 104, we will see a pullback, right? That will break back to 106. After it, another drop that will come to 104. After it comes to 104, we expect this DXY or USD index to break a level of 104. So this DXY, if you take a look at it on the daily time frame, we are still on a bearish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So take a look at this movement. The full trend on the 4-hour time frame, this is clearly a bearish move. One, you can still see it below our 10 period moving average, right? So let's start here from for a quick analysis, by the way. So we'll take this as a drop. Here would be the correction on DXY. Here again another drop. As long as this drop broke this previous lower lows, right? We are still on a bearish move. We can consider this as a correction. And now we'll be expecting a new bearish move for the next day, right? Which is on the 16th. This bearish move should need to break out this new low. So DXY or USD index be expecting a bearish move. So any other pair you would be trading to USD should actually give us a bullish move. So USD index DXY is still a bearish move.